Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu ladyfinger easy guide. Start by brewing strong espresso and cooling it completely, then separate 3 eggs and whip yolks with sugar until pale and thick. Gently fold mascarpone into the yolk mixture, whisk whites to soft peaks and combine for a silky cream. Quickly dip ladyfingers in espresso, layer with cream, dust cocoa, and chill to set before serving. In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu ladyfinger easy guide. Measure ingredients precisely, chill mascarpone briefly so it folds smoothly, and set up a clean workspace for separating eggs. Brew espresso and let it cool while you prepare the cream. Whisk yolks with sugar until light, then incorporate mascarpone and flavoring. Finish by assembling quickly so ladyfingers absorb espresso but do not become soggy. In this video, I will show how to make tiramisu ladyfinger easy guide. Work swiftly when dipping ladyfingers so they hold structure, and assemble in a shallow dish for even layers. Use a piping bag or spatula to apply cream neatly, and press layers gently to compact without squeezing out the filling. Cover and chill thoroughly so flavors marry and texture firms, then dust cocoa just before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.